Working up a sweat is a great thing to do in a gym, but not in your car.
That's right. And not that I spend much time in gyms, but when your car's AC system has a problem, you'll often feel it right away. Question is, how long do you put up with it?
Yeah, the old comfort versus cost dilemma. But a more comfortable drive has a lot of benefits, and keeping the AC system well maintained can help prevent expensive repairs.
Right. Now, a common cause for failure is when water and air leak into the system. The system doesn't work as well with air in it, and water can cause rust that leads to damage of the AC components. Also, refrigerant, the stuff that makes the air cold, can leak out, reducing the efficiency of the system, making it work harder to try to cool the air.
So, periodically evacuating the air conditioning system and recharging it keeps the proper amount of clean refrigerant in the system so it cools better and lasts longer.
And you should also run the air conditioner regularly, even in the winter. I know, not fun, so that it lubricates itself and keeps the seals from drying out, which leads to leaks.
Your owner's manual will have recommendations or requirements for how often to service your air conditioner. Some service centers also have this information as part of their computer systems. Your service advisor can give you more information. Of course, if your AC currently isn't working right, then now is the time to get it checked.
Right. Now, many service centers can inspect and test your air conditioning and offer evacuation and recharge services. This goes a long way to avoiding having to bring your air conditioner in for major repairs.
Recent environmental laws have stopped the manufacturing of Freon, a refrigerant that was common in cars made before 1993. So there is a very limited supply of Freon. It keeps the price very steep. It may not be worth its weight in gold, but it's probably worth its weight in silver.
Yeah, kind of pricey.
Yeah.
If you do have an older vehicle that uses Freon, you may want to consider having it retrofitted to use the new EPA-approved R134A refrigerant. It will pay for itself in the long run.
So, if your AC is like Joel, full of hot air, take it to your service center for an inspection.
Ow! You are colder than I thought.